We need to talk about jump landings, guys. We're crossing quite a bit. But if you roll the jumps, even if you want to go outside, you don't cut across to go there. You stay on your side to the inside. Like the finish line. If you guys on the finish line, if you jump on the left side of the jump, you go to the left side of the turn. You don't cross to the outside because you want the outside. You go left on the jump, left in the turn, right? Does that make sense? If you want to go outside on the turn, you need to get to the right side of the jump. You don't roll and then go across. You go across before you get to the jump, so you're jumping on the side you want.